Good morning, students. Today we will do triangles as part of rectangles. Take a rectangle of side 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Cut the rectangle along its diagonal to get two triangles. Say figure 11.7. That is this figure. Now superpose one triangle on the other. Are they exactly same in size? Your answer is yes. They are same in size. Can you say that both the triangles are equal in area? Yes. Are the triangles congruent also? Yes. What is the area of each of these triangles? You will find that sum of areas of two triangles is same as the area of rectangle. Both the triangles are equal in area. Therefore, the area of each triangle will be half area of rectangle. It is half into area of rectangle. It is length into breadth. What is length? It is 8 centimeter. And what is breadth? It is 5 centimeter. Put its value here. It is half into 8 into 5. Solve this. You will get 8 into 5 40 upon 2, and simplify it. You will get 20 centimeters square. Therefore, area of each triangle is 20 centimeters square. Now say this is a triangle. You can name it as A, B, and C. Here, small a, small b, and small c are three sides of triangle, and this perpendicular distance from A to BC, that is this distance, it is called height. That is this height. Therefore, perimeter, P means perimeter of triangle. It is given by sum of all sides, that is A plus B plus C. And area of triangle, A means area of triangle. It is given by half into base into height. Now in parallelogram, see this is your parallelogram. A, B, C and D. This is your parallelogram. AB and BC are their adjacent sides. Let AB is A and BC is B. And what is height? Height is perpendicular distance from one vertex to opposite side. That is, if you draw a perpendicular line from A to BC, which is perpendicular to BC, then this height is called h. It is represented by h. These two distances are same. This is your height. Therefore, perimeter of parallelogram, P means perimeter. Perimeter of parallelogram, it is given by 2a plus 2b. That is, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here we have taken AB as A, then CD will be also A, and BC, it is equivalent to AD. BC we have supposed it as B, then AD will be B. And what is perimeter? It is sum of all sides. That is A plus B plus A plus B. And if you collect the common terms, then you can write it as 2A plus 2B. And here, if you take 2 common, then perimeter becomes A plus B. 2 within the bracket A plus B. This is your perimeter. What is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is given by base into height. Here B is base and H is height. Now come to example 6. Here one of the sides and the corresponding height of a parallelogram are 4 cm and 3 cm respectively. Find the area of parallelogram. Say figure 11.17. Here this is your base, that is 4 cm, and 3 is height. The height is 3 cm. See the solution? Here what is given to you? That length of base represented by B, it is equivalent to 4 cm, and height represented by small h, it is 3 cm. Therefore area of parallelogram is given by B into h, that is base into height. Now put the value of base and height. Base is 4 cm and height is 3 cm. Multiply it, 4 3 is 12. It is 12 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now come to example 7. Find the height x if the area of parallelogram is 24 centimeter square and the base is 4 centimeter. Here in this figure, this is base, that is 4 centimeter, and x is height. This is your height, and area is given to you. You have to find out value of x, that is height. The area of parallelogram is given by base into height, that is b into h. Here area of parallelogram, it is 24 centimeter square. So simply write 24 equal to base, it is 4 centimeter. So write here 4 centimeter, and height, it is x. So write here x. From this equation, find the value of x. The x will be given by 24 upon 4 equal to x. And if you simplify it, you will get x is equal to 6 centimeter. So the height of parallelogram is 6 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to example 8. The two sides of parallelogram ABCD are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. The height corresponding to the base CD is 3 centimeter. Find first area of parallelogram and second the height of corresponding to the base AD. See the solution. First we have to find out area of parallelogram. Here area of parallelogram is given by base into height. What is base? It is 6 centimeter, and height, it is 4 centimeter. Put its value, the 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter, multiply it, 6 3 is 18, it is 18 centimeter square. Now in second part, you have to find out height corresponding to base AD. Here base AD, it is 4 centimeter, and height you have to find out, say it is x. Now area we have already find out, it is 18 centimeter square. Now area parallelogram is given by base into height, and here height is x. The area parallelogram, it is 18, base is 4, and height is x. From here find the value of x. The x will be 18 upon 4, and if you simplify it, I will get value of x equal to 4.5 centimeter. Thus the height of corresponding to base AD is 4.5 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to example 9. Find the area of following triangles. See the solution. In first figure, It is a triangle. The area of triangle is given by half base into height. And here in this figure PQR, here base is QR and height is PS. Put its value. We will get half into QR, it is 4 centimeter, and PS, it is 2 centimeter. Put its value here. We will get half into 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Here simplify it. You will get 4 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now in second figure, again it is a triangle. Here area of triangle is given by half base into height. It is equivalent to half into, here base is Mn and height is Lo. Put its value. It is equivalent to half Mn. Mn is 3 centimeter. Right here 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. Here write down 2 centimeter and simplify it. You will get 3 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now come to example 10. Find BC if the area of triangle ABC is 36 centimeters square and the height AD is 3 centimeter. See the solution here in this figure. What is the height of triangle? It is 3 centimeter and area of triangle it is given to you 36 centimeters square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC it is given by half into base into height. Now put its values. Area of triangle it is given to you. It is 36 equal to half. Base you have to find out and height it is 3 centimeter. Put its value. From here find the value of B. The B is given by 36 into 2 upon 3 and if you simplify it you will get 24 centimeter. Therefore BC equal to 24 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to example 11. In triangle PQR, PR equal to 8 centimeter, QR equal to 4 centimeter and PL equal to 5 centimeter. Find, in first part you have to find out the area of triangle PQR and in second case you have to find out length of QM. So see the solution here in this figure. What is given to you? QR, that is the base. It is 4 centimeter. This is QR, base is 4 centimeter. PL, PL is this and it is the height and it is given to you 5 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle PQR it is given by half base into height. Now put its values. You will get 1 upon 2 into base is 4 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Now solve this equation. You will get 10 centimeters square. Therefore, area of triangle PQR equal to 10 centimeters square. Now in second part, you have to find out QM. Here QM is a height. Corresponding base will be PR. Here PR it is the base and it is 8 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter. PR is 8 centimeter. It is the base. QM it is the height and you have to find out. And area we have already find out. It is 10 centimeter square. Write down 10 centimeter square. So this is given to you. Now use area of triangle. Formula of area of triangle. The area of triangle is given by half into base into height. Put its values. You will get area of triangle. It is 10 equal to half. Base is 8 centimeter. Height you have to find out. From this equation, find the value of h. The h will be given by it is 10 upon 4 and if you simplify it you will get 5 upon 2, and in decimal you will get 2.5. So QM equal to 2.5 centimeter. This is your answer.